In this video, I'm going to show you how I patched a hole in my wetsuit using the Gear Aid Aquaseal repair adhesive and the Gear Aid Neoprene patch. I purchased both of these products from Amazon, and I'll leave links in the description to buy them there. I've been learning to surf this year as a beginner, and I've gone surfing over 80 times with two wetsuits, a summer wetsuit and a winter wetsuit. My winter wetsuit is a body glove 5'4" wetsuit, and I developed a huge hole in the lower back area where the bottom of the suit attaches to the top. I should have repaired this earlier when it was a smaller hole, because after continued use it's a much larger hole now. The first step is to apply the Gear Aid Aquaseal repair adhesive, which I applied to stitch the hole closed. The kit comes with a bottle of adhesive, a bottle of Cure Accelerator, and a brush. I mix a ratio of 3 units of adhesive to 1 units of Cure Accelerator. It turns into a glue-like substance that dries quickly. I use clips to expose the edges of the hole and try to apply the mixture onto those edges to seal the hole. I then lay it flat and allow it to dry and cure for 2 hours according to the instructions. I tried as much as possible to put enough adhesive to seal the hole, but not to over-apply the adhesive because it can drip into this wetsuit and create bumps of excess adhesive that might make the suit uncomfortable. I really should have fixed this hole earlier when it was a small hole, as I said. It's huge now. After the adhesive has cured, the next step is to apply the Gear Aid Neoprene patch on the inside and the outside of the wetsuit. The kit comes with a black neoprene patch and protection paper for ironing it on. I cut strips of the black fabric patch to cover the hole. I then set the iron on a low setting. My iron has a synthetic setting, which is low. I then put the protection paper in between the patch and the iron and apply heat 10 seconds at a time for 2 or more attempts. The instructions said do it twice, but I did it more than that. The goal is to warm up the sticky portion of the patch so that it adheres to the wetsuit. This patch will then act as a seal and a reinforcement to the area where the hole was. And that's it. As an update, I tried out the patched wetsuit a few times already since the repair, and it's worked well. The adhesive seems to have sealed the hole well. The patch on the inside of the wetsuit has stayed strong and adhered, and I don't really feel any issues from the inside of the suit. The patch on the outside of the suit almost immediately started to peel at the corners, but it still remained attached to the suit. Anyways, I hope this repair helps me lengthen the life of this wetsuit before I have to buy a new one. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I have links in the description to buy these products on Amazon. Check out my other surfing videos on my surfing playlist as well. I'm a beginner surfer and have spent this year learning to surf. I would love to hear any friendly tips from experienced surfers out there. Thanks.